The Residence tab allows you to set up and maintain your residences. On the left side, you see 3 properties: Villa Acacia, Chalet Bianca, and Edifice Futura. Each property has one main unit. It defines whether you rent the property, or whether it belongs to you, through sole or joint ownership. For property rented out to tenants, 1 or more additional rental units are created. If there is a need to account for specific areas of the residence, such as a swimming pool, additional units can be created as needed. The Documents tab allows you to keep track of important documents such as floor plans, notarial acts and assessments. The Addresses tab records useful addresses, such as architects, craftsmen and local administrators. The Transformations tab is used to track any work done on the property that increases its value. For more complex transformation, multiple entries can be grouped together by using a project code. The Cash Flow tab is used to track property tax, condominium fees, and professional services. The Total Cost of Ownership tab allows you to accurately track the profitability of your properties over time. The data for the analysis is retrieved as follows. Rental income from the Tenants module. Mortgage reimbursements from the Mortgages module. Property improvements from the Transformations tab. Maintenance costs from the Building Maintenance tab in the Operations module. Maintenance costs from the Fittings Maintenance tab in the Operations module. Costs for gas, water, electricity and wood tabs from the Operations module. Salaries and social charges from the Personnel module. Cash flow from the Residence module. Premiums paid from the Insurance module. The net cash flow is calculated as the sum of all previous columns. Capex is calculated as the sum of transformations, plus the principal component of mortgages paid. Finally, the net income is calculated as the sum of net cash flow plus Capex. The analysis can be performed over any period of time, using different time buckets, consolidated across all properties, by property, or by individual unit. The Purchase tab and Sales tab register information related respectively to the acquisition and sale of the property. The notepad can be used to enter any type of notes that is relevant to you. The Analytics page summarizes top left the individual valuation of the property. Top right, the commercial value by property is shown. Consolidated valuations are shown in the middle. The sum of purchases and transformations represents the invested value. The unrealized gain is calculated as the difference between commercial value and the invested value. The net asset value is calculated as the difference between the commercial value and the mortgage debt. At the bottom, consolidated projected incoming and outgoing cash flows are shown by month. To conclude, we show you which accounts are affected by the Residence module.